Today, we're going to make vegan pancakes. First off, we're going to make our own oat flour. How to make it? We are just going to blend our oats to make an oat flour. And we need 1 cup of it. Pour the oat flour into a mixing bowl. Banana is our next ingredient. I am using 3 of small bananas instead of 1 big banana. These bananas are called señorita, and though they are small, they are also sweet. Mash the bananas before mixing it with the oat flour. If you like cinnamon, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of it. Add 1 cup of almond milk. Mix all the ingredients until we can achieve this consistency. Grease the pan with a little bit of oil. When the pan is hot, then we can now cook and make our pancakes. Flip the pancake into the other side if you can see that the edges are dry. So this is now our finished product, our vegan pancake.